Jackson Systems has partnered with Supco to provide their line of value-driven, technician-focused products. Let's look at a few. Our first group of products is the Super Boost series. These hard start kits from Supco feature a simple 2-wire design that can be installed on any PSC compressor. With multiple torque options, finding the right option for your equipment is easy. Reduce the strain of each compressor start with the Super Boost. Another product Supco offers is the DE838. This is a standard nichrome wire heating element that is a direct replacement part for the Whirlpool 279838 and most Samsung dryers. The element is controlled by a switch on the motor. When the dryer reaches a preset temperature, the element is turned off. Proudly made in the USA, this nichrome heavy gauge construction will stand the test of time. So far, we've talked about parts for condensers, furnaces, and dryers. Next up, refrigeration. The CP815 commercial refrigeration condensate evaporator pan is used when no drain is available. Using a heating element, it evaporates, defrosts, and condensation. Some of its use cases include, but are not limited to, reach-in freezers, open-air refrigeration units, and refrigerated cases commonly found in grocery stores. Built out of corrosion-resistant 20-gauge stainless steel, this product comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Finally is the SRL manual reset limit switch. Coming in many different temperature limit set points, the SRL will shut off a piece of equipment like a dryer or furnace if the desired temperature limit is reached. Using a rugged bimetal design, this limit switch is intended for manual rollout safety in gas-fired furnaces, unit heaters, and rooftop units. That's it for this video. Check out the rest of our Supco products online at www.jacksonsystems.com. And as always, thanks for watching.